Hey guys, today we're going to walk through the 2023 Puma 31RLQS. This camper is 36 feet 1 inch, has an exterior height of 11 feet 1 inch, and has a gross vehicle weight of 10,500 pounds, dry weight of 8,808 pounds. Rear living situation in this camper with a bedroom slide. Awesome camper. Let's take a walk around it and see what all it has to offer. Hey, we got a nice 2023 Puma 31RLQS for you guys here. We got, right here, we got the storage that goes into the closet in the bedroom that is also your washer and dryer hookup. So if you guys don't put a washer and dryer in here, you could also use it as pass-through storage into your bedroom if you would really like. But moving on down to the camper, you got your awning that starts right here. Beautiful under awning presence on this camper, 2 outside speakers. Nice LED lighting. One slide here on the camping side of the camper, but the Puma, of course, 10-sided. Great handles of beating, easy to clean, but awesome campers. Moving around, you could also get the power stabilizer jacks, and of course a ladder on the back. Moving back around the camper, you get a spare tire. But let's take a walk inside and see what we have to offer for you guys. So here we are in the rear living of the 31RLQS. We have the rear couch, or we have the couch in the back of the camper that folds out into a queen bed. Directly next to that, we have the theater seating. Of course, both of these recline with storage above them. Across from that, you have your TV mount. Of course, storage behind the TV for your DVD players, Xbox, whatever you want to put there. Your sound control system that controls the inside and outside speakers for you guys. And of course the fireplace to keep everything warm when you're not using the furnace. Moving over to the kitchen, of course you have your nice big pantry here. And right next to that, your 12-volt refrigerator with plenty of space for you guys. And next to there you have nice little 3-burner cooktop with a small oven. And of course storage above, plenty of storage next to everything, and a full-size microwave. Nice island here with the sink in the middle. This is called the granite color with this. This is a new color by Puma this year, and the white really offsets that for you guys, makes everything really pop. Over here we have the dinette, also turns into a bed, plenty of storage underneath. You could also do a freestanding dinette, give you a little bit more space for you bigger people. Here in the bathroom, of course, you have your toilet as well as a full-size shower. You have a queen bed in this camper. I believe you cannot upgrade it to a king, but of course you have storage underneath without access to the outside, so anything you store underneath here, you can get it from the outside. Plenty of storage here in the nose of the camper for all your clothes and everything. And of course, here's that closet that I was mentioning that gives you access to the outside, as well as washer and dryer prep. And then rotating around, nice little cabinet for any of your clothes and everything, as well as a TV backer here for TV and everything while you're watching cartoons at night. Thanks for joining me on the walkthrough of the 2023 Puma 31RLQS. Again, my name is Dalton with RV Wholesalers. We have this walkthrough as well as many others on our YouTube channel, TikTok, Facebook. Hope to see you on this one as well as many others. Have a good one.